Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? What's up? My bad, I was muted. Yeah, I know. I'm just listening to some music while the stream starts up. What's up, Michael? All right. Let's go. I just had to play some tunes. You know, getting them in the vibes, getting them, you know, in the mood. You know what I'm saying? What's up, Jordan? Did I catch any positions yesterday? No, I didn't trade yesterday, bro. I didn't trade yesterday. I did not trade yesterday. Did I catch anything today? Nah, nothing today, man. I was looking at this, but I missed it as I was starting up the stream. But this is what I posted in the Discord. This is what I posted in the Discord. Right here, looking at short scalp buy into 2320595. Would like a break of 2318700. This is the 2318700 level right here. Once price starts breaking, and then be like a 20 pip scalp into like this area right here, potentially even above. But yeah, I missed the entry while I was starting up the stream. All good in the hood. You get shot, run the gun, you're not like me. Alright. Another day, another dollar. Let's go. What's up, Khalid? Price hasn't tapped back yet. What do you mean? Back into this level? I was going off taps. I was going off taps in here. Look. See these taps? 1, 2, 3. So a break of this high would be a breakout, like a break of the highs on the higher time frame to come back into this level. But I think if I'm waiting to see how price reacts around here, because we could get taps into here and just absolutely start selling off. Or if price starts breaking above this range, you can see this small range in here, like this area right here. Price starts breaking above here, then it's likely price is going to continue bullish. But I'm just waiting to see. This is a very key level. This level right here, 2320595, very key level. So we need to see how price reacts in here. You get shot, run back, you're not like me. Oh shit, the TikTok. We didn't start the TikTok. Tick at the top, TikTok. But yeah. No trades for me so far today. You get shot, run, you're not like me. Man, I hate that we have to listen to this goddamn music. I wish I could just listen to some hype shit right now. Some hype shit. Price has just tapped into a strong demand zone, so it's gonna go down now. Shit. Seal the market maker. I want to see it tap into here first of all. This is the level I want it to tap into precisely. Fact, you ain't got, you're not like me though. You're not like me. So that would have been me at break even out of this trade after about 13-14 pips profit. Let's see, retesting this level here. Got this whole like range in here that it can come and retest. Right, so we got taps at this level now potentially. What's the higher time frame looking like? What's the 15 looking like? The 15 is closed above, it's come in and tapped. But now I'm just not liking these ranges in here, right? From the highs, if it breaks the highs up, that's like 6 pips, right? So it really just I would have been in that trade. Are you talking about the 15 signal? Is that what you would have took it off? Stop TikTok. $15, yeah. The 15 would have got about 17 pips profit. That buy signal right there. And you'd probably almost be out of break even. You ain't got no that. You're not like me. That would be the break even. The 15 buy signal. Didn't move pre-London, so caught up on my sleeve. Yeah, pre-London was dead. Dead. I mean, it had some nice moves, right? It tapped down into like this level. Tapped down in here. And then like literally reversed to the T. Closed above this level, tapped in, right? So you got the tap, you got the closure above, you got the tap. And then price started driving, but this high was all the way up here, right? It was all the way up here. So this next candle didn't come and break those previous highs, so that wouldn't have been any trade anyway. But yeah, it was a decent move, but it can't, in terms of entries, price was, you know, was bouncing back after this short-term downtrend. You got the lower highs in here, so yeah, the indicator wouldn't have give a buy signal in there anyway, because it would have been against the current structure of the market. Like me though, you're not like me. That would have been break even on that signal. Am I in a trade? No, I was looking at this trade right here. It was break even though. Out of break even. There's about 14 pips profit. But I think if this 15, I think we're gonna see. I think we're definitely gonna see this level being hit at this point. This 15 starts driving, starts breaking its own highs. It's gonna come up into here. Then we'll see how it plays out over here. So you can see the break and tap. This is the indicator level. Actually, you can see the green zone in here. That's the level from the indicator. So you can see the 15 has closed above. It's now come and tapped in. Now it's looking to drive, but this level This level is a level I'm very cautious about right now. I don't really want to be buying into this level. I want to see how price reacts around this level first of all. Master, it's because it's out of the trading window, bro. You need to you would go down here and uncheck this, and then it's gonna show up. But then it's outside of the trading window. I don't recommend taking the signal. But I think we're definitely going to see this level tapped at this point. 2320595. What's up, Ben? Check Discord. What now, Jordan? What now? What have you done now, Jordan? Nice, goodbye. What's up, Whore? What's up, man? How are you, bro? Raj, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Greetings from Indonesia. Jordan, what are you doing on the 1 minute time frame, my guy? What is this? What am I seeing? I just see a load of buys and sells in the same direction. I thought he was going to stop doing that. I think Ben, Master CPIC, Ben's analysis is so good. Ben. Where's... Oh, Ben, I just saw your comment in Discord. Did you look at this trade that I posted in the Discord? What's up, Seniors Club? Willie, appreciate the follow. Gurnish, appreciate the follow on TikTok. What broker am I using? Black Bull Markets. I'm great, Cody. What's up, Hugo? What's up, brother? Oh, fair enough, Ben. Fair enough, bruv. I think if this 15 can come down and tap in, if this 15 can get a tap back into this level and then flip bullish, then I think we're going to be seeing, yeah, 2320595. I would want to tap in here first though, before it comes back up. Went in the tap, yeah. Umar, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Will it go up today? What you suggest at this time? Yeah, I was anticipating it, Raj, to go up into what is this? 2320595 up here. So once it gets to this level, then I'm just gonna monitor price action to see what happens around this level, because this is a key level. Price could tap into here, or it could do something like this, come above, start playing around, and then just drop. I think there could be a decent, quite a big sell-off from this level. We just have to see what happens around this level. It could be very wrong. Price could just come up, smash straight through, and just continue bullish, right? But I just want to see first of all how price reacts at this level. 2320595. Went in on the tap. Went in on what tap? That is your stop loss. What? This level right here, 2320595. Purely TG. You'll find it in the link in my profile, bro. On my website, brother. This 5 needs to tap. Can we get the tap? Come and tap in for me. Come and tap in and then flip bullish. Come and tap in and then flip bullish. That's what I'm looking for here. If it doesn't, starts just breaking straight down below, then that's fine. Right now, I'm looking for a tap in and a flip bullish. And then I think we're going to see this level. Just my personal opinion. We got 11 minutes until a 1 hour closure. Black bull markets, black bull market. What's the green box? This one right here. This was the entry I was looking at. But I missed this entry because I was starting up the stream. All right, there we go. And now we got the tap in there. For news, bro, gold. What? For news? I don't know about news, man. I don't predict news. What kind of question is that, though? Beruz, if I said to you right now and put you on the spot and I said, Beruz, for news right now, CPI tonight or PPI, is it a buy or a sell? Right, if I ask anyone that question right now, news tonight, is it a buy or a sell? Like, how do I answer that question? How do I know what is going to happen at PPI tonight? I don't know the data. I don't know the numbers. Nobody knows the numbers. You can take guesses based on data and forecasts and blah, 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 blah. But that's exactly what it is, just a guess. A random guess. A random ass guess. Or a calculated guess. Bro, you gotta just predict the future. I feel like that's what some people want me to do sometimes when they ask those kind of questions, like NFP tonight. What do you think is gonna happen? Is it a buy or a sell? I'm like, motherfucker, I'm in the same boat as you. I'm a retail trader, bro. I don't know. Out of 5 news traders, I predicted 1 has lost. Still, PPI news is different. Yeah, PPI is different. I don't trade this time. It's outside of my trading window. If it's a good setup, I may consider it, like this one, but obviously I missed this one. But yeah, I trade during this period right here. Not during this period. Trying to predict means it's gamble. Yeah, gamble. If you're trying to trade the news, you're gambling. That's it. Simple. Mark has no direction. I think looking at the weekly for me has clear direction. It's just when it's gonna flip, right? If it's gonna flip. For me, this week was, even though I've took buys still this week and sells, the direction for me overall is bearish. In terms of today, yeah, it's kind of in that mid phase right now, right? Because the weekly's bearish, the daily's pulled back and created a top wick and rejected this key area in here. This is the key range that the daily's rejected with this strong rejection wick right here. And now the daily candle has come down and broke structure, right? Broke that bullish structure, but we got no daily top wick. The daily is very much in a short-term uptrend, right? Creating higher highs and higher lows, but the weekly needs to flip. The weekly needs to flip bearish and break the, I mean, it doesn't need to, but you know, based on like just simple price action, you got a downtrend on the weekly, you got weekly top wicks being formed to eventually then continue bearish, which again what we have right now. So we have we've got tonight and we got tomorrow to see if this weekly can flip bearish. If not, then it doesn't, you know. But I wouldn't mind a bit of a sell-off right now. I wouldn't mind. That would align with my overall bearish bias. But again, if it goes up, I don't mind taking buys either. I'll take buys on sales, guys. I don't care. All right, we've got an hourly closure in about 6 minutes. Let's see. All right, closure in, interesting. All right. I'll befriend Jerome Powell in the future and ask him to sneak the data to me. Yeah, please do, bro. Please do. Please do. Have I traded today? Nah. I posted in the Discord, right? I'll show you guys the Discord again. So I posted in the analysis section, Cody's analysis right here. I said, looking at a short scalp buy into 2320595, would like a break of 2318700, which was this trade right here. All right, this is the trade I was looking at. To buy from this level into this level. But as I was starting the stream, this happened, right? And I missed it, so it is what it is. But it went up about, 14 pips. And then would have hit break even. But yeah, that's the only real thing I've seen today. The only real kind of setup I've seen. It's been a busy day though. Been looking after my daughter pretty much all day. Haven't really had much time to focus. Top travels. Ato Mata, appreciate the follow on TikTok. All right, that's it. At this point now, we're waiting for the hourly closure. We're seeing how this hourly candle wants to close, and we'll go from there. We will go from there. What platform? This is TradingView. This is TradingView. And we'll see if we can get some. See if we can get some moves here on the 5 minute in between these ranges here. We got this range, which is about 20 pips, and then we got this range, which is about 38 pips. Don't know. That's in the Discord hall. What am I looking for in trades? I'm waiting to see what's going on here. I'm still not convinced that the price hasn't tapped into this area. I really want to see price tap in here and then see a potential sell-off, which would give me a bit more confidence in the sells. But let's see. Okay, appreciate the follow. Is Sway Markets a good platform? Yeah, Tony uses Sway Markets. Tony, who's in the YouTube chat and in the academy, he uses Sway Markets. Tony, is Sway Markets a good platform? Let's see if it's still here. Down, 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 down. All right, this is driving. This is driving. Let's see. Why could this be driving? Let's have a look. 12 hours bearish, created a top wick. Potentially flip bearish. Yeah, Tony said so far so good. Our daily is bullish, but we broke the previous daily lows. I might actually just mark that out real quick. Previous daily lows, break of structure. 8 has tapped in, closed below, tapped in. 6 has closed below and tapping in. Haven't broke those lows. 4 hours spiked out the highs. Tapped in back again into this level, overall resistance. The 2 hour is tapped in, rejection, closed bullish though, no close above. 1H has rejected all the way down. Strong rejection on the hourly. So let's see if price wants to come down below this level. Let's see if we can get a 5 minute closure below here. What level is that? 2315690. Renex, yeah, bro, of course. Bum, 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 bum. What I want to see is a tap into 2, 3. Let's see. Let's see if we get a closure below here. Price, this 5 minute can close below, although the hourly is just opened. It hasn't made much. Hourly lows have been broken. Hourly lows here. Let me take a look at that. Bam, bam. Let's see. We got about 1:30. Yeah, this is gold. If you guys want to see the full chart, come over to YouTube or live on YouTube, Forex with Cody. They want it to be driving too much right now. All right, let's see if this 5 closes. If this 5 closes below, I want to see a pullback into this range right here. I see a pullback into these areas, and I want to see it flip bearish, and I want to see it come down and break the previous lows. I don't really want it to spike out the lows too much here straight away within the first few seconds. Okay, now flip bullish, flip bullish. All right, see it's spiking the lows already. So it's going to spike down, and then eventually it's going to come back up and create a top wick, in my opinion. But it's already spiked down like 5 pips at this point. Yeah, all right, that's done. That's what you don't want to happen. You don't want it to open up straight away within the first few seconds and start spiking down. You want to see pull back, create some sort of top wick, potentially tap into these areas, and then start driving. But now it's just driving with no top wick. At any minute, this could just flip back bullish and create a top wick. But it's really driving down now. I think my discipline is improving. I'm not just jumping into trades. The academy is paying off. Let's go, crypto man. Could I download a Discord? How can I? The Discord is just for just members at the moment. What's going on? That was quick. Oh, it's the 5-minute time frame. Seems like a big move, but it's not that big. It's 18 pips. It's decent. But look what happened last time, right? Look what happened over here. It's the exact same thing, right? This candle closed below this level, this candle right here. And then this candle, the next candle, came straight down without creating any top wick, right? This one right here just spiked down and then rejected, and then eventually ended up price coming back up and tapping into this area and continuing bullish. So let's see. This is why we want to see top wicks first, tapping into these areas, and then we want to see the drive break of the lows and the drive down. That would have been the ideal setup. But this candle could, you know, do the same thing as this candle now. That's the danger. That's the danger. Danger, danger. Stranger danger. Stranger danger. Bum bum ba da dum bum bum. All right, so what I'm gonna do right now while we wait and see what happens here is I'm gonna swap out. Oh, here we go. Here's this 5-minute outlook. See, doing potentially something similar to this one because it doesn't have a top wick. What I'm gonna do right now, is I'm gonna add the new V5 manual to the indicator. All right, so now the new V5 manual is in there. The V4 manual is gone. You guys in the members can go check that out before the V5 indicator drops. Crypto is dropping. I'm gonna release it like over the weekend, so you guys can have like some time to read over the new manual, go through all the new but go through the new updates, and then be ready to use it on Monday, market open. Let me know how you know. Add it to the academy as well. Feel it. All right. Nice. Do I suggest a sound now? Nah. I would wait for price to come back into these areas first. For sure. Or we could wait to see what happens around here. You either want to see a pullback into here, or you want to see price continue down and start, you know, coming below these areas. You know, you got some nice range in here. Below here is about, you know, 20 or so pips Nice range for the 5 minute. There down into there. This one's not too solid. 10 pips. You'll automatically get it, Seal. You'll automatically get it, bro. When it's updated, all you have to do is just take it off your chart and then reapply it on TradingView, and then you have the update. What's up, Dusty? You're on the TikTok today, bro. Hayden, appreciate the follow. You will get it automatically. You like the full view? Let's go, bro. The YouTube is a much better experience if you want to get all the levels. You know, all the levels. You can't see it on TikTok because you can't show it on TikTok for, you know, legal reasons. Don't want to get banned. Why does it still say V4? Because V5 is not out yet, Seal. It's not out yet, bro. The V5 manual. The V5 manual is out. The new and updated manual. So you can have a read of that, have a watch. It's crazy how you called the shots on GJ yesterday. Oh yeah, GJ. It goes over it in the V5 seal. I don't really want to talk about it too much on here. GBP USD. This was the pair that I called out in the Telegram, the free Telegram. From this level, it was beautiful. It was beautiful. This one right here, GBP USD. From this level, buys, and then price came in, rejected. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Straight into that level and rejected that level. About 130 pips. $130 pips. What's the 4 hour doing here on gold? Flip bearish. It spiked out the highs. Flip bearish. All right, 2 hour broke the lows. Hourly has broke the lows. Hourly sold off. We don't need a pullback, but we can get a bit of a pullback in here potentially. About a 15-minute closure right here. I mean, yeah, that would have been the entry, man. That would have been the perfect entry. We would have got pulled back into here, but price just drove. And you can see now we haven't got taps in here. You can see the price is kind of stalling a little bit now. We're seeing the rejection, the low volume. So the more it does that, the more likely it is going to come back into these areas. Today is you're gonna get muted for a little bit, bro. Yeah, everything with the update seal is in the V5 manual. You can access it now, bro. You'll be able to access it right now. All right, here we go. Come on back. Come on back over here. You see, if we're thinking about last time, right? What happened last time was price came down, closed below here. It drove with no bottom wick, and then price came back up, closed above, and then drove back up, right? So the fact that this time we can see we've spiked out the highs. So here's the structure, the highs, the lows. We've spiked out the highs up here, and we've also spiked out the lows down here. So is that a 4-hour candle? No, this is a 5-minute chart. PPI, yeah, I know PPI is tonight. PPI is in about, what, an hour-ish? Yo, what's up, John? What do you mean? What do you mean? John in the YouTube chat. What's up, Bish? Risky buy? Who's buying? Nobody's buying, bro. Nobody's buying. Why are you actually trading? This is XAUUSD. Employment claims. Need to look at Forex Factory. I haven't had no time today whatsoever. Unemployment. Oh yeah, that's yeah. Core PPI, unemployment claims. Yeah. Last was negative. Last increased. So unemployment claims increased, meaning obviously negative for the US. The more unemployment there is, the worse that is. Obviously, more people have no jobs. Can I still enter the trade? I wouldn't be, but I mean the entry for me would have been in here. This is why I was waiting for a pullback into this level from this 5-minute candle. That would have been my entry once price tapped in here and then broke the lows. But now price has already come down and broke the lows without creating a top wick, and now it's driving. This would have been the target, right? This would have been the take profit target. Entries would have been here, would have been a decent trade. That would have been about, you know, 26, 27, 28 pips scalp. But now, yeah, prices drove down. So now we just got to wait and see what happens. Got to wait for the next setup. Where to start? Just start, bro. Just look on, you know, find somebody who you vibe with. Find like you know, I would say find someone who isn't flashing money in your face and Rolex watches and Lamborghinis and Bentleys and whatever. Find someone who's just about pure trading and price action, right? And just learn from them. That's it. But you just got to start somewhere. It seems very overwhelming. It seems very like there's so much information and it's all a bit too much at first, but that's how it feels for everybody. But you just have to get through that stage. Just take one thing at a time. Kohan, appreciate the follow. All right, so we've come down and filled that range now. So this was the range that I was looking to trade. This is what I mentioned at the start of the stream. From in these areas down into here, that was the range. But now price has filled that range. If I'm thinking about yeah, there's not really anywhere that I would have entered here, apart from if price came back and tapped in here. That would have been it for me. In terms of what to do now, I mean, price is selling off quite heavily now. We got the next level here. This is from the daily. This is a daily level. That's why it's in purple. So a bit more of a significant level than these ones that we're seeing on the chart. So we'll see how price reacts around here. We got 7 minutes till a 30-minute closure. 7 minutes to a 30 closure. We need to see how price reacts around this level now. Retail noob. What's up, CEO? Looking for some likes, I see. Looking for a bit of interest in your page. You can get that here, bro. I don't mind. DJ Verse, appreciate the follow. Domo, appreciate the follow. Let's go. Very beautiful waterfall. Change the music? Nah, bro. Change the stream. This is copyright-free music, brother. How long have I been trading for? 7 years, 8 years. Somewhere in there. 7, almost 8. What's up, Riso? All right, closure below. Closure below. Can we get taps either into here, or if we want to drive up into here? You can get taps into one of these levels and then start breaking the lows. Not much of a range, but you know, there's potential for once we break the lows to come down into this next area. But we've got a 30 closure in 4 minutes. This point, yeah, 30 closures in 3 minutes is what you would have to wait for, I think. Yeah, I'm good, Riso. I'm good, bro. How are you? We got 2 minutes 50 for a 30 closure. Let's see what this 30 does. I've done see what's happening. Yeah, so I was looking at some sales from here once we started breaking this level, because I kind of knew if the fact that we're rejecting here, we started coming down below this level. If we can close below, we can start selling off and we can fill this range from here, you know, into here. But I was waiting for taps back up in here. I was waiting for taps back up in here with this next 5 candle to pull back, create a top wick, and then start breaking the lows, start driving. And I was gonna look at that potential setup, but it just started driving without giving any top wick right here. this candle right here. So not much I can do about that. I appreciate you, AR Trading. Appreciate you, bro. Yo, safe fault. Don't be saying that shit, bro. Appreciate that, AR Trading. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you very much. Toretto, appreciate the follow. Did I already say that? User. If you want to see the levels, you're going to have to come over to YouTube. You're going to have to come over to YouTube. We can't show the levels on TikTok as we have previously been banned. And, you know, we don't want to get that again. So no levels, no profit targets, no trades on the chart. Nothing like that. Don't bite your nails. I bit my nails since I was 13, 14 years old. I am now 31. What does usually mean by your levels? These areas on the chart. Diverse. DJ Verse. These levels that you can see on the chart right here. These are the levels he's talking about. So what do we need to see? Again, so at this point, now this range has been filled, right? This was the move that we were trying to get in on. With this candle right here, with the taps back in. Didn't get an entry. So now we've filled that range. We've come down and filled this whole range. And now we need to see, you know, we've got a 30-minute closure right now. We've got a 30-minute closure. 30-minute has rejected this level, and now we need to go back and see what this level is, right? And if we take a look previously to the left, we can see areas of rejection in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you get the close out, the close back in. So you kind of got like the fake out, close back in, and then price started driving up. So this is a strong level that price is rejecting quite a lot. Most recently, of course, this level over here. So we really need to see if we go down to the 15 closure below, 15 rejection, closure below, closure back in, 5 close back in, we get a short-term pullback, but I don't see. Your style of trading is definitely the most consistent I've seen. Let's go. Let's go, master. So let's see. Let's see if we can get a pullback. Let's see if we can get a pullback. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, right? Look at this current 4-hour candle. I think this 4-hour candle, once we start breaking the lows down here, I can definitely start selling off. But in terms of like the 1 hour, you know, can we get some kind of pullback? Oh shit, what just happened? Let's see if we can get like a tap in like this general area somewhere. Let's see if we can get a pullback. Let's see if we can get a tap up into these areas here. Like where these rejections are in here. We can get a pullback into here. I'm happy with that. And then we can continue to look for sales like below these areas right here. But I want to see a bit of a pullback first. Kind of into like this range. This range right here somewhere. If I mark out like this area right here, that's what I'm looking at. Bookmap. Now, I've never heard of Bookmap. What's that? No worries, DJ Verse. No worries, bro. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a tap into this level. When do you normally start streaming live? Usually, what are we in right here? About an hour ago. 1 hour ago, Inua. What's up, K-Car? What's up, bro? Bookmap. What do you want me to search? XAUUSD Bookmap 5. What am I looking for? What the hell is that? Is this what you're talking about? I've never heard of Bookmap. Never. Is this what you're talking about though? Is this what it is? All right, let's see what this 5 minute is going to do. Let's see what the 5 minute is going to do. Check GJ. All right, let's check GJ. Beautiful GJ. Beautiful GJ. Let's see. Beautiful. DJ is coming down for a retest in this level. Currently bouncing. Trying to see where the entries could have been today, but I'm not really seeing anything. This was the key right here today. This was the key for GJ. You can see once price came back down in here, you started to see that move to the upside. There's not really a clear entry for me here. Nah, there's nothing. There's no clean entry for me there. GJ, to be honest. GJ is just going crazy right now. non-stop. The pound is absolutely dominating the yen. I think GBP AUD could definitely start selling off from here. It just depends on what news we got. Westpac. We got interest rate decision on, oh, that's next week though. GBP AUD could start seeing some sell-off here. It depends how these we need some like bearish candle closures now at this level. Some 4-hour bearish candle closures in here. So you got like an hour 20 until this 4-hour closes. Same as CAD JPY. Euro CHF. I'm waiting to see some kind of price action around here for sales as well. Potentially. Got a nice 4-hour candle closing here in about an hour 20. Nice bearish candle potentially. Looking for it to really like close below this area. Then you can wait for your taps. Then you can wait for the taps, close you below the tap in, and then the drive. This is multiple on NAS this week, but it didn't come down into this area. I wanted it to come down into here before it started driving, but it's already driving. Very nice. NASDAQ. What about silver? Silver as well. There's a couple levels I'm looking at for this week, but kind of just consolidated now. It definitely was bouncing at this level, but now it's looking to break. Oh shit, gold sold off. All right. Interesting. All right, so now you got the top wick. You've got the top wick. The taps in. If this flips bearish, start driving. Where's that next level? If it flips bearish right here, you could start driving. Next level would be potentially in here somewhere. What is that level? What is that level that I'm seeing right now? Yeah, over here somewhere. Can it flip bearish though? Can it flip bearish? What even is that? Not much of a range though, is it? Shh. And potentially beyond. And then potentially beyond. I'm really just waiting for this hourly closure now at this point, right? If we're looking at the hourly, how is this hourly candle going to close? Can we visualize how this hourly candle is going to close? With some type of rejection, some type of bottom wick, or is it just going to continue driving down? Got this level, we got this level, and we got this level, essentially. You've got 15 left ish of the hourly. Which would also be, you got 15 left of the hourly. So let's see. Let's see. If the 5 doesn't play out, then we can get the 15, right? The 15 closure below this level. Pull back, tap in, and then the drive on the 15. Where do I think it's going? Right now, continuing to the downside for sure. Until we see rejection of some of these levels. Until we see rejection of some of these levels, you know, you see price starting rejecting in here. Start, you know, closing back above here, maybe closing back above here, right? It can just continue bearish. We need, in order for it to potentially start pulling back, you need to see price start coming back, you know, above these levels, pulling back, coming back into some of these areas of interest, and then you can potentially look at those pullbacks. But all right, there's that first level. There's that first level, 10 pips. The next level will be down here, but you'd definitely be at break even now at this point, because the 15 is just open, and you could potentially get a 15-minute pullback here, 15-minute top wick. So you'd be at break even at this point. Let me tap the next level, 35 pips. That 30 pips profit potentially. But again, the 15, remember, the 15 has just opened. This could just be a spike down on the 15, spike out the lows, and then it can retrace all the way back, come up, and come for taps in here, right? Harman, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Already moved my stop loss to break even. Gonna wait this out. Nice. Let's go, Hussein. Just caught a quick 25 pip move. Break at test of that level. Nice. Let's go, KCAR. Price of gold right now, it's 2305.130. But there we go. That's exactly what I was looking for over here, right? You can see how the 5-minute closed below, and then this next 5 tapped into that level first, gave taps, right? And then broke the lows. And now look what, you know, price driving down here, like 30 pips or so, right? But that's what I was waiting for up here, but didn't get it. Not yet, Tommy. V5 manual, bro. V5 manual. V5, the V5 manual is there if you want to go have a watch before it drops. But the version 5 of the indicator will be out this weekend, so you guys can have chance to go over it and get ready for Monday. Bowan, appreciate the follow. But yeah, that would have been the entry ish there. would have. Move starts to break even there, about 10 pips. And target would be here, and target would be here. That's how the entry would have looked. Now, Tony, it's, you know, potentially the weekly, bro. The weekly is still very bearish, right? The weekly top wick has been formed now. So the fact that we're moving down quite quickly here is no surprise to me, based on the weekly time frame. You just wait until the weekly flips bearish at this point. Can we buy now? Why do you want to buy now? We just analyzed sells from all the way in here, all the way down into here. Oh, Chris, appreciate the diamonds, man. Let's go. I didn't even see that. Thank you very much. It didn't even show for some reason. Let's go, Chris. Chris Crower. But yeah, do you guys understand the analysis with the sells? Obviously from here, I'm going to get rid of that level. From this point, we was looking for sells. Down below these levels, we were looking for sells. And then finally, in here, you got the closure below. This is why it's important to wait for, even though you're up here, you missed the entry, right? And most people get frustrated. And even though it played out, it's not always going to play out that way, right? Even though it did still drop, you know, at this point over 100 pips, it's not always going to play out that way. Yours is on 2311. Now mine's on 2306.395. Chris, appreciate the diamonds, man. 36 diamonds. You're crazy, bro. Please do AUUSD. AUDUSD. AUDUSD. Where are you? AUDUSD, this one. All right, AUDUSD. I was looking at a potential sell-off from this area. Maybe it's gonna come from a bit further up in this area, or in this area. But as of right now, I mean, it's come all the way up and spiked out the previous weekly highs. Spiked out the lows. It spiked out the lows and it spiked out the highs on the weekly perspective. At this point, AUD USD is, I mean, look at this. It's in a horrible consolidation. If price is going to continue bearish, like my overall analysis was from the weekly perspective, that I thought it was going to continue bearish based on you know, these rejections in this area and the last week's candle closing bearish, breaking the lows. And now we've come up and created a top wick. So if this does flip bearish, or you do want to anticipate sells, it would be from in these areas. You could look for a 4-hour closure in about 1 hour 6 minutes below 0.66444, right? You look for the 4-hour closure below, you look for the 4-hour tap in, and then the drive down to that next level, which on AUD USD is about 17 pips. And then beyond that, down back into previous weekly lows, down into 0.65908, which is about a 66 pip move. But again, you know, it's made new lows this week and it's made new highs, right? There's no structure in here. There's no bullish bearish structure. There's no trend. There's no nothing. It's just breaking the highs, breaking the lows, consolidating. So it's a pair right now that I wouldn't really be too interested in, if I'm being honest. All right, so as I said earlier, this 15 can flip bullish and come for a tap into here, first of all. Give me 1 second, guys. There we go. All right. There was a 30-minute signal. Oh, there was. There we go. The indicator is always moving the markets. Always. There we go. 30-minute sell signal. 58 pips. B5 always moving the markets. Ty Ryan, appreciate the follow. Appreciate the follow, man. Where we heading with PPI code? Forecasted lower than previous. Forecasted. Forecasted lower, forecasted lower, forecasted lower. Now I guess we just have to wait. We have to wait for the numbers if they are actually lower. Is it still a sell? If I would want to see, I want to see price come into this area now. Yeah, I want to see price come into here. We've got an hour closure, hourly candle closure as well. So let's see, can we get the hourly closure below this level? Can we get the hourly closure below this level? That's good confirmations, potentially, that there's a possibility that price can continue to sell off, right? But then that'll be below like these areas. We've got about 2 minutes left. Let me just that level's fine. That level's fine. Got a few levels in there that we can work with. Few levels in there we can work with. What we can do is get out the indicator V5 and we can project the levels down, giving us this level down here, this level down. Or we can turn on the AOIs. But you guys remembered what I told you, when was this, Monday or Tuesday or something, about the 12-hour candles, the 12-hour time frame, right? And the fact that not always, but regularly, right, depending on how the first 12-hour candle closes, because you get two 12-hour candles in the day, of course, one daily candle, what's half of 24, which is the daily candle, is 12, so you get two 12-hour candles. The first 12-hour candle usually will give you a bias for where the second 12-hour candle is going to go, right? So today's first 12-hour candle closed bearish, and then price continued bearish, right? Again, over here, if we take a look, this daily candle, this first 12-hour candle of the day closed bearish. Second 12-hour candle of the day continued bearish. First 12-hour candle of the day closed bullish. Second 12-hour candle of the day continued bullish. First 12-hour candle of the day bullish. Second 12-hour candle of the day continued bullish. First candle bearish, second candle continued bearish, right? First candle bullish, second candle spiked up bullish but then flipped bearish, right? First candle bearish, second candle bearish, right? So you can use the 12-hour time frame to give you a kind of bias of where price could be heading during New York session, right? First bearish, second bearish. First bullish, second bullish. First bullish, continuation bullish, then flip bearish. First bearish, continuation bearish, right? First 12-hour candle bearish, second 12-hour candle continue bearish. Okay, first 12-hour candle bullish, second 12-hour candle continue bullish, right? Not always, but often, right? First 12-hour candle bullish, second 12-hour candle continue bullish. First 12-hour candle bullish, second 12-hour candle continue bullish. First 12-hour candle bearish, second 12-hour candle continue bearish. All right, very simple. So today, the first 12-hour candle for today was bearish. And look what happened. The second 12-hour candle has continued bearish. Right? Just a little trick. I told you all it was buy for xauusd. Mr. Asso, appreciate the diamonds. Rose, appreciate the follow. Price has gone up 30 pips to the upside. We analyze sales. It is what It's in your zone now. Yeah, it's in this zone. So now we need to figure out, now we need to see how it reacts in here, right? Because now this would be hourly, right? So we got the hourly closure now. Look at the hourly. The hourly has closed bearish below this level. So look at this hourly candle. This is a humongous hourly candle, 127 pips, right? Definitely need to see an hourly top wick here before it continues to drive bearish. But even then, if it does drive bearish, price has to come down 32 pips to break the lows and then continue some more, right? And fill these ranges if it's going to. So is that going to happen? Let's have a look at the daily real quick. What could be down in these areas? What could be down in these areas where price is coming back into? So what I'd want to see, yeah, is the hourly right here, a nice hourly pullback into one of these levels, creating some type of top wick. And then I want to see it flip bearish again, breaking the lows. If that doesn't happen, then it doesn't happen, right? It doesn't mean I'm only looking at sells. If price starts popping up above these levels and we start to get candles closing above, then guess what? I'm just going to look to take buys back into these areas, right? Very simple. I'll go either way, mate. Either way. I'm not picky. This is the funny thing about streaming. Like, people hear me talking about sales and they go, and price moves up like a little bit. Price will flip bullish for like 20 pips. And I go, see, I told you it was a buy. It's like, dude, what point are you trying to prove? Who are you trying to prove here? Are you trying to prove this to yourself or what? Oh, I forgot about the sound effects. They're always right. Just believe. Wait, can I add my own right here? Add my own sound effects. Wow. How long ago did I leave the UK? 16 years ago. Do I ever go back? I haven't been back in a long time. I haven't been back in a long time, man, which is sad, really, because I have a brother and sister back there, grandparents, nephews and nieces, aunties, uncles, pretty much my whole family. My parents are also back there right now. They've been back there for the last couple of years. So it's just me and my sister over here in Australia. Alright, now look at this on the 30-minute perspective, hourly perspective, right? Got this area. Can it come up a little bit more into this area? So that's a 30-minute top wick, an hourly top wick. Will this continue bearish? What do you guys think? In order for it to continue bearish now, we need to see a 15 closure below this level. Because the hourly can just start, the hourly can start driving now. Nino, appreciate the diamond. Hello, Cody. If you had to choose between London or New York session to trade gold, which one would you pick? London session all day. London session all day, every day. Free London session. 2 hours before London session, the 2 hours after London session, that's the sweet spot for me. Oh, yeah, we got news coming up, haven't we? That's right. Let's see what this 5 minute does. Let's see. Will the 5 minute close back above? If the 5 minute closes back above, we'll look to then come back up into these areas. 5 minute closes below. You can look for a 5 minute closure below. The next 5 minutes come tap in and then start driving down to these areas. What top wick is it? It's about 26 pip top wick. It's not bad. But that was the move right there that we analyzed there on the 5 minute time frame. This move right here, beautiful. 34 pip move to the downside. $34 pip move to the downside. You having a win, Coco, or what? What the fuck does that mean, Sam? Aussie things. Asking how you going? I've never heard that one before. I've lived here for like what? How long have I lived here for? Like 7 years maybe? Country boy. Oh, we got another Cody in the house. What are Norking about? This candle, yeah, we didn't get the top wick here. No top wick. No tap, no top wick. Look at that, 15. Nah, I'm not in nothing. Just go back, Herman. Go back, bro. Just you're in YouTube. You can just go back to that part. Man, I'm so sick of these fucking YouTube copyright songs, man. I'm so bloody sick of them. Welcome. Nah, bro, this ain't my playlist. Hell no. This is the only music I can play, like, that's copyright. Otherwise, your videos just get loads of strikes and shit, you know? Like, videos get taken down and your YouTube channel gets, like, copyright claims and... It's a big mess. Yo, everyone in the YouTube channel, hit that like button for me, please. We are boy. 60 people in here, 16 likes. Yeah, you get copyrighted on YouTube. But I want them to be there. I want the live streams to be there. I want them to be uploaded and people can go back and watch them. Come on. We got 15 until news. We got 15 until news. What's the 4H saying today? 4H. We've got 43 minutes left until a 4H candle. That back in. So interesting. Interesting. This range right here is where it tapped up into. That's where the owly tapped into. 30, 15, tapped in, closed below, but I give the pullbacks, man. It just completely sold off. It just completely sold off from there. No chance for any kind of entry for me. Apart from this beautiful entry down here that we analyzed. From the 5 minute. But now if you want to see price continue bearish, right, we got 14 minutes until news. Not wise to be looking for trades right now. It's just best to wait. But obviously price is tapping into this level now. If you want to see price continue bearish and fill this range, you want to see the 5 come below here. This isn't much of a range though, really. It's about 25 pips. It's decent. It just depends where this 5 minute candle closes below. If it closes below all the way down here, then obviously, you know, you've got like a few pips in that range left. Beyond that, you got like this, like a 17-18 pip range. So I mean, yeah, at this point you just gotta wait for news. You don't want to be trading now. What's up, Cooper? Yeah, personally I won't be. Obviously I suggest you stay out. Wait, if you want to, maybe wait till after news, but yeah. Not worth it, bro. Not worth it. Euro USD. What's happening with Euro USD? Euro USD. Euro USD. Have a look. Like this. Like this, I like this, I like this level. Very nice. Look at this level right here. Beautiful. Beautiful level on Euro USD. The previous weekly is bearish. We're continuing bearish this week. Price has created a top wick. Pull back. Now it's breaking lower. The daily has the daily closed below. The daily closed below, but then it closed back above. Obviously, this was with news last night. CPI, obviously, and interest rates on USD. 12 hour doing 12 hour first 12 hour candle was bearish. Price has continued bearish, but you need a closure. You need a significant closure below this level right here. Price wants to continue bearish, so I'll be waiting for a 4-hour closure in about 40 minutes below this level. I'll be looking for a pullback, look for a top wick on the 4-hour, tapping to here and then driving down. But again, you got PPI. You can't really, technical analysis just goes out the window with high impact news events, of course. So not a whole lot we can do. Just have to wait and see. There we go. It's pulling back. It's back in that level again. Like I said, at this point, it's just best to wait for news. Is best. Is best. Oh my gosh. Jasmilla. News is in 9 minutes, man. So nothing right now for me. What do you think about news? North, south, west? Thanks, went back. Now explain again everything else I missed. You missed nothing, bro. You missed nothing. Right now, Herman, we're just waiting for news. So we're literally not doing anything right now. Those events don't respect the stop loss. Yeah, it travels. It's because during those events, the spread on your broker is going to increase massively. So even if your stop like didn't get hit or something like that, due to spreads being high around that time, you'll likely get stopped out even though price didn't actually reach your stop loss. Why does it seem to go so slow when you're waiting for it? Why oh why? Why oh why? Please can explain what you just said about getting stopped out before hitting stop loss. So basically, around these times, like red folder news, NFP, CPI, PPI, unemployment, you know, all of the big news events around USD or any pair for that matter, if you're trading it. But during those times, the spreads on your broker will just go crazy. They'll jump, right? The spreads, if you have a low spread broker, you know, it's going to jump up quite significantly. Whatever broker you have, spreads on your broker during high impact news is going to jump and start fluctuating, right? So price will not actually hit your stop loss, but because of spread being so big and fluctuating so much during news, it's going to hit your stop, right? Because of how big the spread is. You understand? What's up, siblings? Yeah, it's something like a lot of new traders don't understand. And at one point, I did the same, right? I entered a trade way back years ago when I started trading. Entering a trade, not, you know, back then as well, not really taking into consideration news and not, you know, you just straight technical analysis back then when you're a beginner and you're just focusing on, you know, your setups. And you know, I'd be in trades, news would happen, I'd go to my trade and I'd see that I got stopped out, and I'll be like, wait, price didn't even reach that, my stop loss. How the hell did I get stopped out? And then you start thinking like, oh, this broker is scamming, they're stop hunting, you know, the markets are manipulated, blah blah blah. You go through that whole cycle, but then it's because you lack the knowledge of what happens around that time with spreads, right? So that's why it's just best to stay out. Happened to me a few times, never again. Yeah, exactly. It's just not worth it. Like, I wonder if the spreads are already fluctuating right now. Let's have a look. Not too much. Not too much. But open your broker. Look at the spread when news is about to drop, and you'll see it start to fluctuate. Where are you from? What are you trading? This is xauusd. This is TradingView, and I'm from Australia, mate. Yesterday they were wild on news. Yeah, yesterday would have been crazy during CPI for sure. That would have gone crazy. If your spread on your broker is 5 most of the time, is that what you should set up in the indicator, or how you find? Yeah, exactly, Herman. If you have like a 5 pip spread on your broker most of the time on gold or whatever pair it is, then put it in on the indicator as well. I'll put 5. You're in Sydney, nice, bro. I can feel it. All right, let's have a look. 2 minutes. The countdown has begun. Yeah, my spreads are starting to fluctuate now. Slightly. Yeah, start looking at your broker spreads right now on your MT5, whatever you use. You're gonna see your spreads start to fluctuate quite heavily. Mr. Showed us, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. Away again. Guys, on TikTok, we are live on YouTube. If you want to come over and see all the levels on the chart, and see the full screen and see everything that we're looking at, come over to the YouTube channel Forex with Cody for a better streaming experience. Your spread is 33. Sheesh. God damn. What's everyone's spread right now in the chat? Everyone type your spread. Maple Crew. Appreciate the follow. I'm trying to see something. What's everyone's spread right now? Mate, is it bullish or British? I know that was a typo, but that's funny. Is it bullish or is it British? Well, I'm British. 47, 46, 6. Now, this is some high spreads, man. Mine is currently 17. So it's not actually fluctuating that much. 70. 12. 0.26. Alright, now mine's starting to fluctuate a little bit. 25, 36, 35, 17, 21, 26, 32, 40, 45. Yeah, see how much they're fluctuating right now? Alright, let's see it. 124. My spread is 124 right now. 84. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. More negative news. More negative news for the dollar, it seems. Alright, I'm guessing it's negative news. And here we go again. Yeah, there we go. Negative news for the US dollar. Employment claims went up quite a bit. So it went from 0.1% to minus 0.2%. Damn. Damn, son. Jaylan, appreciate the sub on YouTube. Let's go. So USD weakness is pushing gold right now. USD weakness pushing gold. It would make sense, right? Because as well, the daily doesn't have a top wick yet. Look at the daily candle. It has no top wick. So it's likely that the daily candle is going to come up and create a top wick at some point. Very nice. And now, get rid of that. Get rid of that. Not interested, not interested. Now we're back into these levels. Mine says just floating. Mine's gone back down now-ish. It's like fluctuating from like 1 to like 3 or 4 pips. And let's see how much this can push. Quantum said the news is a sell. This is why you don't try and predict news, guys. Price is buying. You think so? You think price is buying? When will I start trading? Was looking at entries down here. Khan. Just looking at entries down here, man. This nice little sell-off right here, 34 or so pips. But I don't trade during news, which is obviously what just happened. So right now, there's no trading for me, bro. Buy euro. No. Damn, the USD just spiked. AUD USD. AUD USD just spiked. Yes, very nice. Very nice. Let's see, 13 seconds. What happened with this 30-minute candle? Let's have a look. Okay, spiked down, broke the highs, driving up. Sheriff, I will say at least, I don't know, bro. I mean, everyone's different, you know? I would wait at least an hour or so. Looking for volatility. Nice. Nice, Cyril. See, that's a good explanation. I like that. Logic behind your bias, you know? Ollie, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Right, let's see. Driving. I would say it's at this point it's definitely coming up into 2325030 at some point. Whether it does it right now, it's going to do it at some point throughout the day, and then we'll see how price reacts around this level. Price can spike out here and sell off a little bit, or it can just continue up past this level and past it, build this range maybe. But this level, I would say at this point, is definitely getting taken and above. No question about it. Hamza, appreciate the follow. We go. So now that is the daily top wick. Now the daily has created a top wick, right? Where it hadn't had before. It had no top wick at this point until right now, today. So now that it's created a daily top wick, right? Let's see. You can spike into this level. This is the next key level. This is the next key level. This level is, from the weekly perspective, very important. Price can spike into here. We can see this is where a lot of rejection on the weekly is, right? If we just kind of take this level and draw it across like that, we can see lots of rejection in this level from the weekly perspective. Look at all these wicks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Now we're tapping back into there again. The daily has created a top wick. You've got the volume from news. Right, there's that spike out. There's that spike out. Like I said, once price taps into here, you could see the sell-off. You'd really want to see price start closing above 2327 200 if you're going to continue bullish at this point. But anyway, I'm done. I was just here to watch some news with you guys. We got some nice analysis here on these sells on the 5 minute on gold, about 30 34 pips. But let's, yeah, at this point, I'm obviously not going to be trading any of this. Don't like the look of it. For me, you know, the weekly obviously still very bearish. The daily at this point is conflicted because, you know, when we broke previous daily lows, we have created a top week now, so you could definitely start seeing some sell-offs in here. But now I would just want to see how today's daily candle closes because, yeah, it's a bit, you know. Nice, look at that rejection off that level. Perfect. Perfect. Alright guys, I'm out. I did not tell you the news? No, I didn't. I'll be live tomorrow, same time, same place, 8 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time on TikTok and on YouTube. Beautiful news, beautiful analysis for the sales down here. And we'll be back tomorrow with some more 5-minute scalping masterclass. Alright, peace out. TikTok. Alright, YouTube. See you later, boys. Appreciate you all being here. Hope you enjoyed the stream. Hope you, you know, found some valuable information off of this stream and, you know, the breakdowns and the analysis and the sales that potentially we missed in here and then the sales down in here. Played out. But, yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I really like this thing right here is annoying me. YouTube is annoying me right now because you see this shit? This shit should have hit. You see this right here? 4,000 watch hours, right? This is to get YouTube, this is to get the next step. So we got YouTube partner, so we can have memberships and supers and all that kind of shit. Now it's the next one, which is like monetizing your videos and things like that, right? It's been stuck on this now for some time. I need 45 more public watch hours to reach the 4,000 and then unlock this next thing right here, whatever this is. Continue to grow. So hopefully this shit hurries up and you know, we can continue to grow on the YouTube channel. But I appreciate you guys showing up. Thank you for, I mean, how many likes we got? How many likes we got? How many likes? 23 likes. All right, everyone leave a quick like before you head out. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Gold is done for the day for me. All right, see you guys later.